another 15 seconds to take the pawn on b3. Thank you, shot down. And then it took black another 13 seconds to make the only legal move that makes any sort of sense. It's just that his computer is stronger than mine. Funny. Anyway, we'll check back in shortly. I've reported him. It's a shame these people exist. I mean, I knew it right before we even played, but I did it for the content anyway. Of course, Queen F5 is the best move. Best move, best move. Yeah, this is a savage move. This is ridiculous. Queen B1, wow. Amazing move.
Nah, saya itu ada kesempatan pion maju nusuk kuda ini, saya menjadi kemenangan itu nusuk kuda ini. Dia maju ke situ, saya kuda ke sana tuh, Pak. Jadi ada kombinya untuk saya itu.
Bapak saya sebagai pemain senior yang main dulu dari zaman tahun 2000-an itu kan belum ada tuh yang namanya komputer, istilahnya aplikasi-aplikasi catur pendukung itu belum ada.